Imagine yourself in the midst of a critical work project, with multiple complex tasks overlapping each other. The thought of navigating through cluttered software menus, searching for files, and manually optimizing resource allocation seems daunting. Suddenly, the right tool comes along, a machine that not only streamlines productivity, but also takes advantage of artificial intelligence to stay ahead of your workflow. The laptop market has evolved to cater to various needs, from casual browsing to intense gaming and professional work. However, many of these high-performance devices suffer from one crucial drawback: inadequate display quality. Vibrant visuals are essential, especially for professionals working with visual-intensive projects. Now, let's look at a cutting-edge solution designed to bridge the gap between performance and aesthetic appeal. Dell's 15-inch laptop boasts a 15.6-inch FHD 60Hz 300 nits display, showcasing a wide color gamut and remarkable brightness levels. The sleek three-sided narrow bezel not only adds to the machine's visual appeal, but provides an immersive experience, allowing users to fully engage with their work. This display setup would be ideal for professionals in the creative and design sectors, who rely heavily on accurate color representation. Whether you're an architect designing buildings, a graphic designer crafting logos, or an artist creating artwork, Dell's 15.6-inch display ensures an authentic representation of your ideas. Under the hood, the laptop houses an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor 255U. This highly advanced CPU offers an unprecedented level of efficiency, power consumption, and processing speed. With NPU-powered AI features, complex data analysis, and multitasking become seamless. These processor features will find themselves at the heart of applications requiring real-time data analysis, AI processing, and video editing. Moreover, the Intel Core Ultra 7 is energy efficient, reducing unnecessary heat and minimizing downtime due to thermal overload. The integration of AI technology extends to other areas of the device. The Copilot key is a thoughtful addition that provides instant access to your AI assistant, streamlining tasks and saving you time. Imagine quickly switching between applications, checking email, or organizing files without having to navigate through multiple menus or type out commands. These AI-powered shortcuts make Dell's laptop an excellent choice for remote workers or freelancers who require fluid workflow. Beyond these impressive features, Dell has also incorporated Comfort View to enhance eye health. Blue light reduction is crucial in modern computing, where users spend extended periods in front of screens. Blue light exposure has been linked to potential eye strain and disrupted sleep patterns. Dell's implementation reduces blue light emission, making it suitable for prolonged usage, reducing the risk of eye fatigue and promoting a healthier user experience. Now that we've explored the design, features, and AI-enhanced aspects of this laptop, let's dive into real-world testing. Let's assume you're a software developer responsible for crafting a complex AI application that demands seamless execution, multitasking, and real-time processing. This machine's Intel Core Ultra 7 and AI-driven features will enable you to run intensive projects, integrate machine learning models, and deploy software solutions on time. In terms of practical use cases, consider these examples: video editing, data analysis, web development, and scientific simulations. This 15.6-inch laptop will not only meet your performance expectations, but also handle tasks smoothly, ensuring timely project completion. Keep in mind that its robust specs make it capable of tackling demanding workloads, but its portability and display quality provide an edge over bulkier alternatives. In a world of competing products and limited resources, Dell has thoughtfully integrated features to enhance usability and reduce eye strain, setting a new standard for high-performance laptops. Moving on to the pros and cons, our analysis points out the following strengths. The display offers vibrant visuals with accurate color representation. Intel Core Ultra 7 processor 255U ensures efficient processing and power consumption. Copilot AI-powered features provide seamless workflow and instant task execution assistance. Comfort View reduces eye strain by minimizing blue light emission. It offers a balance of performance, portability, and display quality. However, some potential drawbacks to consider. Limited battery life due to high-performance requirements. Higher cost compared to other options. May not be ideal for low-end applications. Specific hardware may require updates or maintenance. When comparing this device to other high-performance laptops on the market, it's essential to consider its value proposition. While options like the Apple MacBook Pro offer similar features, the Dell 15-inch laptop is positioned as a more cost-effective, balance-driven alternative that still delivers an immersive experience. After comprehensive analysis and real-world testing, we confidently recommend the Dell 15 laptop to professionals, freelancers, and individuals working with visual-intensive projects. Its exceptional display quality, AI-driven features, and power efficiency set it apart from its competitors. To take your computing experience to the next level, visit Dell's official website or authorized retailers to explore this exceptional product.